In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate YouTube video ideas with Grok AI. Whether you're launching a new channel or refreshing your content calendar, this simple process will help you turn a niche into a steady stream of ideas you can film right away. Start by opening Grok AI. You can go directly to the official Grok AI website in your browser or access Grok through the X, Twitter app on your device. If you're prompted to sign in, use your existing account so your session saves properly, and you can return to your chat later without losing progress. Once you're in, open the chat interface. You'll see a text box where you can type your request. If there's an old conversation open, it's a good idea to start a fresh one, so Grok focuses entirely on your YouTube planning. Keep your aim in mind. You want clear, specific ideas that match your channel's audience and format. Next, define your channel topic. Type your niche or theme in a quick sentence, like tech reviews, beginner-friendly coding, cozy gaming, personal finance for students, daily vlogs, or step-by-step tutorials. The more specific you are, the better Grok can tailor suggestions to your style, posting frequency and skill level. By the way, to make access easy, I've placed the official website link and a download link if you're using the app right at the top of the description, so you can open Grok in a new tab and follow along. Now ask Grok to generate video ideas. Use a prompt like, generate YouTube video ideas for this niche, or give me content ideas for my YouTube channel. Add helpful context such as your audience, preferred length, or tools you use. You can even ask for a set number of ideas to keep things manageable, like 10 or 20 at a time. Review the video ideas Grok returns. Scan for relevance, feasibility, and freshness. Flag anything that excites you, and note any ideas that can be batched or turned into a series. If an idea needs clarity, ask a follow-up in the same chat so Grok stays on topic. Refine the list. Ask Grok to focus on trends, short-form ideas, or beginner-friendly topics, and request quick summaries, hooks, or potential titles. You can also ask it to group ideas by difficulty or time to produce, which helps you plan your next upload schedule efficiently. That's how you can generate YouTube video ideas using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.